exploring the meaning of cream pie. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into a popular phrase in the English language, cream pie. By the end of this video, you'll understand its meanings and when to use it. Let's get started. Cream pie, at its most basic, refers to a type of dessert. It's a pie filled with a rich cream filling, which can be made of various flavors such as chocolate, coconut, or banana. This delicious treat is a favorite in many households and is often enjoyed during special occasions or as a simple dessert. In some contexts, especially when used in jokes or colloquial speech, cream pie might have other, sometimes risque, implications. As with many phrases in the English language, context is crucial. Always be mindful of the situation and the audience before using phrases that might have double meanings to ensure clear and appropriate communication. To better understand, let's look at some examples. 1. For my birthday, I would love a chocolate cream pie. 2. Did you see that comedy show? They threw a cream pie at the comedian as a joke. 3. Be careful with phrases like cream pie, because they can have different meanings in different contexts. And there we have it. Cream pie can be a delicious dessert or have other contextual meanings. Remember, context is key, and when in doubt, always think about how your words might be interpreted by others. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to exploring more phrases with you in the future. Happy learning!